Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Susan here, and in today's video I'll be sharing this DIY hair mask that will help strengthen and condition your natural hair. So if you are dealing with strong, dry, brittle hair, then you should keep on watching.
Hey, it's me.
To make this hair mask, we'll be using 2 medium-sized avocados. I have really full, thick, natural hair, so I'm using 2. But if your hair is not so full, you can use 1 big one and you'll be fine. So I went ahead to cut my avocados into 2, and I'm going to take out the seeds. These avocados were almost turning bad. Thank God I used it immediately. I'm going to take out the seeds and take it out, like take out the aloe vera and put it in my blender. The next ingredient we'll be using is aloe vera gel. I got this aloe vera gel the same day I got the avocado, and I don't know why it was turning bad. Like the ends were drying up, or like I don't know how to explain it, but it was turning bad. So this is what is left, and I'm going to be using it. Luckily I got 2. So as we all know, we'll take out the sides from the aloe vera, divide it into 2 nicely, like take off the front part. You can divide it into 2 if you want, but I like to just take off the front part neatly. Then I'll go ahead to scrape out the gel and add it to my avocado in the blender. To take out the gel, I'll be using a spoon. It's best and safer to use a spoon than a knife, so you don't go ahead to cut yourself. So I'll just use a spoon to scrape out everything in the aloe vera into my blender. Next ingredient we'll be using is honey. This is all I have left, but it's enough for this hair mask. So I'm going to be adding all of that honey into my blender. The next thing we need is hair oils. You can use any oil of your choice. Here I'm using castor oil and my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. I have a detailed video of how I made my Ayurvedic hair growth oil on my YouTube channel. I'm going to link it up and in the description box. Also, I went ahead to add my hair tea. So this hair tea has black seed, clove and fenugreek. If you guys know, I always put my hair tea, like the herbs, into my water just so that it stays and infuses longer. So this is what is left. I'm just going to turn everything in with the seeds, and I will blend everything with the seeds. Now I'm adding my castor oil. I'm just going to add a cup of this. And a few drops of my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. Now guys, I will go ahead to give this a good blend. Blend it very well till everything in it becomes very smooth and creamy. Now that we are done, it is very important to strain this mixture because you don't want the leftover residues on your hair. I usually strain mine with a cheesecloth, that's like a wig cap, and it's advisable that you do this twice, please. I did this once and I still had residues on my hair. So please and please, if you'll be making this, strain twice to save yourself from damages. Not damages per se, but like from having residues on your hair, and when you are combing it out, things are falling off. It's not dandruff, it's residues from this hair mask. After straining, this is all that was out, and you can see with this number and quantity of residue, I still had products on my, like I still had residues on my hair. So please and please strain again. So after washing and conditioning my hair on this day, I went ahead to apply this hair mask. Now this hair mask will help soften your hair if you are dealing with dry hair, especially in this harmattan, and you need to add some form of moisture and strength. Most people call this a protein mask, but me, I just feel it is not just a protein mask. It has protein and moisture all in it, because there is aloe vera gel in it, there's fenugreek in it, so it's going to moisturize and at the same time strengthen your hair. You can see how defined my curls are. It's easy for me to rake through my fingers because I went ahead to detangle my hair with this, and detangling was so easy. Guys, applying this thing was so messy. Like my robe, my bathroom sink, everything was messy, but it was a good one. Like my hair felt really soft, my hair felt strengthened. Like there's a difference between when your hair is strengthened and when your hair is strong. Like my hair was not breaking and my hair was soft. It was easy to comb, it was easy to detangle just because of this hair mask. So if you are dealing with strong hair, I advise that you use this. If your hair feels very dry, use this hair mask. You can see how defined my curl patterns look. You can see how soft my hair looks. It's easy to rake through. It's easy to like pass my hands through it. So I'm just going to put that section in a twist like I would normally do whenever I'm having deep conditioner. And I will go ahead to wrap everything in a plastic bag. Guys, this is very messy. Here I am using my pins just to clip my hair together so that wearing a plastic bag and a bonnet on will be easy for me. I left this on for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse it out. Guys, please, when you are rinsing this out, rinse it with warm to cold water. Do not use hot water, please. Do not use hot water, please. Rinse it with warm to cold water. If you don't like cold water, keep it at lukewarm temperature. Do not use hot water, please. And this hair mask, guys, was so easy to rinse out. It didn't take up to 5 minutes and I was done rinsing my hair out, and I completed the rest of my shower routine, which involves shower detangling. Guys, that's the end of this video. I have a detailed wash day routine on my channel. You can go ahead to check it out to see my wash day routine steps. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hair mask. Will you be trying it? Have you tried it? Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.